Hi, hello, this is Jenny. Today we are going to learn about something on computer networks. Okay, so this is the most important topic in computer applications, science, information technology, as well as engineering also. Okay, so in this part, we are going to learn about something on network and its types and how it works throughout the worldwide. What are the usages and real-time examples? Everything we are going to cover in this topic. Okay, so here I shown some example for you. In this picture, you can see best example. So this is what is network. If you are asking this question to me, even I have this question also in my mind. What is network? Network is a simple, I can say, data transfer. Okay, data means information. So I am one of the person. My friend or my client or my my boss is something on beyond where some other places for he is in long distance, for example Austria, Germany, and all over the world. Maybe that person is there. Okay, so I should communicate with that person. How is it possible? By using of this network. Okay, so using of this network you can communicate all over the world. So this is the major benefit of this network in computer applications. Okay, so best example here we can see. So network means the nodes can pass the information to other nodes. Okay, for example, this is one of the user 1, and here user 2, user 3, user 4, user 5, user 6. More than users you can communicate. Okay, so worldwide more than 5,000 members, 10,000 members, 1 crore members, 2 crore members can communicate by using of this hub. Okay, so this is called nodes. The nodes, each and every node is communicating. Okay, so node to node we are going to pass the information, that is called network. So this is node, this part is node, the node linked with other node. Okay, so these all are known as nodes. Okay, nodes means node, node. The node, the users can communicate with other users by using of this network. Okay, and next, simply we can say information. Okay, so we are going to move information from one node to another node. Here example, you can say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay, so this A and B nodes pass this information to the D node, and D node pass this information to E, F, G, and these three nodes pass this information to G. Okay, and G node pass this information to between the two nodes, that is I and J. Okay, so next, types of networks. Networks, lots of types are available. Majorly we are focusing these types. First one is internet, second one is telephone network, transportation networks, cellular networks, supervisory control and data acquisition networks, optical networks, and last one is sensor networks. Okay, so right now all the persons we are using and we are working on the internet. That is one type of network. Okay, without internet the world cannot run right now. All the industry, all the organization, even school, college, universities, each and everywhere you can see this internet. Without internet the world is not run right now. Okay, so that is the major advantage of this network. And telephone networks we can see in this telecommunications. Okay, just example BSNL and all providers we are using in our mobile phones, Jio, Airtel and Vodafone, everything is the telephone network. And transportation networks, we are pass this information layer to layer. Okay, So that is transportation networks and cellular networks. Okay, and small short area we can use this, for example in a square room or in an office or between two houses we are using this cellular networks. And supervisory control data acquisition networks means in an organization, for example plant or a site engineering constructions, they can use this supervisory control or data acquisition networks. Okay, and optical networks under cable connection we can see right now a lot of projects in this right now is going on throughout this area. Okay, you can see this under cable, there's fiber optic cables, that is optical cable networks. And sensor networks, we are using this remote control and remote operation, everything is called sensor networks. Okay, these are the types of networks. And next, the major type network categories we can split in four categories. First one is PAN. Okay, PAN means personal network, and LAN means local networks. WAN means wide area networks, and MAN means metro. Okay, so personal area network, LAN, WAN, and metropolitan network. So these all sub networks under the main category of the network. Okay, so personal networks means mobile to mobile, computer computer, laptop to laptop, we can share this information, that is known as personal network, personal area network. Best example, mobile hotspot. Okay, so we are turning that hotspot and we are doing some work with the mobile phones as well as laptop. So these are known as personal area network. And second one is LAN, local area network. Local area networks means the small what that area, covered area, for example small villages, small town, or a small apartment or building. In that area we are going to use this particular type of network, that is local area network. And then wide area network means lot of local area networks connected with this wide area network. Okay, so lot of people, maximum more than people, they can use this type of wide area network. And next one is metropolitan area networks means full and full city, district or state and country, they can use this type of metropolitan area network. Okay, and next let us see internet. Already I told the internet is the major impact of this network. Okay, so the internet has transformed everything. For example, first one is we can do lot of business by using of this internet. Okay, so we can see right now all the business activities they can do on their SAM applications. Best example, they are using Instagram and YouTube. All the users, they can do lot of business to do or to do sale, to communicate with other clients by using of this applications. This is one of the best example for this internet services. E-commerce, advertising, cloud computing, these are under comes in this category of this internet. Okay, next one is we have relationship. Yes, so I don't know my friend or a new relationship I'm going to make. He is in America, best example. Okay, but we are communicating with that person. How is it possible? By using of this application, Facebook, email, and virtual walls. Okay, and chats, email chats, everything is on possible by using of this internet services. This is provided by network. Okay, and next one is we learn. I'm going to study, I'm going to do some research work, which means I need some services. Okay, some textbooks I need, some persons or already some elder persons in that field, they can give lot of lectures or a lot of ideas on that particular field, so I can easily fetch their videos and ideas. Everything is possible through the internet. Okay, so best example, Wikipedia and search engines, Google, Chrome, everything is on possible right now. So this is the best advantage of this internet. Okay, right now transformed everything because we are going to get some information. Okay, and next one is the way we govern and view law. Okay, so all the government sites and private sectors also, they are using a lot of domains and applications and websites. So these are this relationships or e-voting, everything is doing online. E-admission, electronic admission, and copyrights, we are getting copyrights and cyber attacks, and for hacking your information means we are getting some cyber security from that person or from that organization. So these all this possible by using of this internet. Okay, so this is the major advantages of this network. And already I said types of network. LAN, here you can see this topology. This is ring topology. Ring topology means the single cable connected with all the systems. Okay, so single wired cable connected with all the systems. Here you can maintain some adapter. Okay, this adapter can pass the information to system 1 to system 2. There is no center point. Okay, this is ring topology. Topology means you are going to shape the network. That means structure of this uh, area or structure of network, that is called topology. Okay, so this is the first network of LAN. And next, if you need brief explanation, here I am giving. You can read one by one. Is a group of computer or peripheral devices connected with a limited area. For example, you can use this LAN area network in schools, laboratory, for a scientific or science research oriented laboratories, or medicine field. They can use this LAN area network. And home, particularly we are doing some work in this home means we can use this LAN area network. And office building also we can use this local area network. So here you can less than 5000 interconnected devices. Okay, so 5000 or below 5000 devices you can connect with this LAN area network. And next one is WAN, wide area network. So first LAN, okay, first LAN area network, and second another LAN, third LAN. So this all three LAN networks is connected with this WAN, wide area network. Okay, interconnected. Okay, so all the LAN area connections interconnected with this wide area network. So here this WAN is controlling all the local area networks. So this is the benefit of this WAN. Okay, and next, larger area. Okay, we can use this WAN, wide area network. And for best example, telephone lines and then radio frequency. So in that radio network they are using this type of WAN, wide area network they are using, because all the local area networks controlled by this wide area network. And next one is metropolitan area network. So metro network, the types categories are core network, 2G, 3G, ISDN, XDSL, CAT-V, and LAN, local area network, and wide local area network. Okay, so metro network is small region or college campus or building or apartments. You can use this metropolitan area network types, which is mostly limited single building or single site. Okay, so this network, what they said, this type of network is larger than a LAN. Okay, so this is the most important think in this metropolitan area network. Okay, so larger than local area network. Okay, and privacy topology, already I said there are three types of topologies are available. One is ring topology, bus topology, another one is star topology. So if you take star topology means you can maintain a sender hub. So first, the system that end users directly cannot communicate with the other users. The user should call or should pass this information to the center person, that means head person. So head of the person can only directly communicate with the other person. Okay, so the small or end users cannot communicate directly with that other persons. Each and every information pass through the center hub. The center hub pass this information to the another user. That is ring topology usage. Another one is bus topology, the single cable connected with all the systems. Okay, so we can pass this information system to system. And next one is star, ring, star, bus, and then ring topology. Ring topology, each and every system has maintained a separate adapter. That adapter, through this adapter, we can pass all the information system to system. There is no any center hub. Okay, so these are the major categories of this network. Okay, and next one is, if you are doing lot of works on this internet, we need some privacy, because I should maintain a some confidential in my organization or for my data. I need some privacy. So how can I protect my network? We need privacy. Okay, so privacy means we are going to put lock. Okay, how we can do? Right now we are using all technologies, wireless technologies. Okay, previous years we can use wired technology, but right, we don't use this wired technology, we are using wireless technology. Okay, so this is are the best example for this wireless technology. All the systems interconnected with that wire, without wire. And what I said, if you are using internet, you need some privacy, and you have to put lock on that some applications or some data. That should be very confidential. So we need cyber security. Cyber security is the most relevant and most important topic in this network. So that's why we are studying network in computer. Okay, so this is called computer network. Cyber security means we are going to make some ID and then password. If you are giving your ID and password, then only that app or that information it will be open. Otherwise, the third parties cannot open their information, cannot share their information, cannot hack your information. That's the reason the network provides cyber security. Okay, so next, let us see one by one. So these are the major points and important points in computer networks. Okay, thank you so much. Bye from Jenny.